Now, about 500 staff of the Federal Capital Territory Administration, as well as other residents within the Karu axis of the FCT, will receive free reading glasses. This is part of efforts to make eye care services affordable and available to the working population of the FCTA as the world marks the World Sight Day. Health correspondent Kemi Balogun has the details.
In adulthood, vision facilitates participation in the workforce, contributing to economic benefits and a sense of identity. Hundreds of staff from the Federal Capital Territory Administration line up to get their eyes checked. Eye doctors are given free eye screening services, and free reading glasses will be given to those who need them. The FCT Health Services and Environmental Secretariat is making this happen to mark the World Sight Day in its bid to provide optical, medical and surgical interventions to the teeming population of the FCT.
The theme of this year's World Sight Day is Protect Your Eyes at Work, occupational hazard. Even looking at your computer, working as a mechanic, abattoir, everything you do can potentially harm your eyes. So not only are we giving out glasses, we are educating people.
Eye health generally in the country has been neglected, but what we don't understand is eye health is wealth. Without eye health, we can't really be productive as a nation.
What we've decided to do in FCTA is to screen all FCTA staffs today in the Secretariat. And then tomorrow we're going to we'll also be screening the abattoir in Karu, and we'll also be screening in the Chief's Palace in Karu.
This year's theme works in line with the distribution of 5 million reading glasses to Nigerians, kicked off by President Tinubu in September. In line with this, 750 reading glasses have been donated by the Mandate Secretary. Out of this, 500 will be given out free. Residents have also been encouraged to enroll on the National Health Insurance Scheme in order to get access to free eye care services.
The health insurance scheme covers everything we're doing here today. You can get free glasses if you subscribe to this scheme. There are numbers to call, the processes to subscribe. They are here today and we are educating them.
Prevention and intervention strategies have been the focus of eye conditions that can cause vision impairment and blindness. But in Nigeria, there still remains a large portion of the population who do not seek these interventions until it is too late. Kemi Balogun, TVC News, Abuja.
Now, Assistant Registrar, Optometrist and Dispensing Opticians Registration Board of Nigeria, Igbo Kafo, is joining me from our Abuja studio. Thank you so much for joining us on the media news. Well, it's very important to, first and foremost, establish the reason why we need to mark this day. Talk to us about the significance of the World Sight Day.
Thank you so much. Actually, World Sight Day is a day set aside in the whole world by all the eye practitioners in the whole world to be able to create awareness to the entire population, for them to be able to know how and when to check their eyes when the need arises. And again, to make it affordable, accessible, and comprehensive so that people can be able to access this World Sight Day. Because people always claim that eye is very expensive. And that's the reason the initiative from the International Agency for Prevention of Blindness now collaborate with the Nigerian Optometrists Association and also Optometrists and Dispensing Registration Board of Nigeria to create this awareness here in Abuja, the capital city of Nigeria, so that people can know that it's not all that easy. But today, we want to make it a day for people to go to any clinic in the whole Nigeria to go and assess their vision free of charge.
When you say any clinic, are you talking about nationwide or is it just the FCTA? Because I understand that when you go to check your eyes, they will tell you what's wrong with your vision, and then to administer glasses, you have to break the banks to get some of this. So is it only exclusive today, and is it national, or talk to us, try to expatiate so we will understand clearly.
Yes, from the World Sight Day, it means nationwide, not just only in Nigeria, nationwide, all over the whole world, not just only in Abuja. Any part of Nigeria, there's eye clinic registered to the optometrists and dispensing optometry board of Nigeria, being well regulated by our agency. You have the right to go there to assess your eye. Nobody should collect any kobo or dime from you because it's a World Sight Day, which the team says, love your eyes at work. So it's everywhere in the whole Nigeria. You are free to go there to assess your eye today. It's free.
Interesting stuff. But then, Love Your Eyes at Work is a theme for this year's World Sight Day. But then we understand that there is no way in this era of technology, we're exposed to screens, not only at work, but at home. And then we're also exposed to the rays of the sun and all of that. In what way do you think we can, keep our eyes in good condition so that we won't have much of impact of all of these rays on our sights?
Okay, we're in ICT world. These days, either you're with one electronics media or the other, computer, your iPhone, your smart TV. So the advice I'll give to the Nigerian populace is for them to always avoid using their eyes close to the system, both the computer, your phones, your televisions. Always ensure that you have a protective measures, what we call lens enhancement. If you watch what I'm wearing now, I'm putting on what is called blue cut lenses. It's being coated in my lenses to protect me from all these UV, ultraviolet rays that affect one's eyes for prolonged use. Like now, most offices now have their computer in their houses, in their offices, and they make much use of their eyes without being protected. So my advice to the Nigerian populace, don't just expose your eyes to all these gadgets that affect your eye with the UVA that's been discharged, mostly from the computer that is in our various offices today. They need to wear what they call anti-reflective lenses, blue cut lenses, if possible, photochromic lenses.
Thank you very kindly. We hope that Nigerians will seize this opportunity to check their eyes for better vision. Assistant Registrar, Optometrist and Dispensing Opticians Registration Board of Nigeria from our Abuja studio, Karu. Thank you so much for your time.
Thank you so much.